Hello everyone, welcome to the future of C++ programming language. First, I explain the description of C++. Description of C++. Designed by Pigeon Slopslop. Pigeon Slopslop means C++ is general purpose programming languages as created by Pigeon Slopslop. Stable release is C++ 20. ISO means International Standard for Organization. Type in spell laboratories. Display is Bell Laboratory of AT&T. AT means American Telephone and T means Telegraph. File extension name is extra CPP and most use of the C++. Its C++ is a family type is C. First appeared is 1985, 36 years ago. Means first release is 1980 in C++, but appeared is 1985. Slop slop. This hymn developed by a C++ programming languages. The name is C++ suggested C increment. Recall the plus plus is an incremental operator of C. So the name is mentioned is C++ was made availability outside Bell Laboratories in 1985. C++. C++ was initially known as C with classes and was renamed C++ in 1983. And what is C++? C++ is a CLAD platform languages. C++ is a CLAD platform languages that can be used to create high performance applications. Next, high level languages. High level languages, it means C++ gives programmers a high level of control over system, resource and memories. Over system, resource and memories. The language was updated three major times. In one is 2011, 2014 and 2017 to a C++ level, C++ 14 and etc. OOP means object-oriented programming language. Class and object, data abstraction, data encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, in many more, etc. This is a OOP concepts. The class means class is one of the basic concept of OOP in class means is a collection of different objects. Class are ground as ADD. ADD means abstract data types. Object variable of the type class. Class is known as create object. When a class has been defined, we can create any number of objects belonging to the class. Class is group of objects similar types. For examples, class is a keyword, student is a class name, private and public is access specified. Belong to it, one is data member, another one is member function. The data member is example for name, age, and member function is get from the data because insert from the data and update from the data, delete from the data. It is called a member function. Member function is called operations. Data member is called defined variables. Is an object. Object is an instance of the class. Sufficient memory space will be allocated for all variable of class at the time of declaration. For one of class is multiple object can be created. Multiple object can be created using the values. Data abstraction. Data abstraction is nothing but item from the data. Data abstraction is concepts of object-oriented programming that shows only essential of attributes and hide from the necessary informations like that. Abstraction there is a select from the data larger, show only relevant details from the object to the users. heightened from the data, heightened from the operation is called data abstractions. Is most important one topic in object oriented. That means wrapping of data and function together. It's secure from the data. It is called usually privacy of the data is called data encapsulation. Inheritance is nothing but object can be required properties and polymorphism is called a behavior to the many data in the object oriented in the many form using polymorphism. In the what is object-oriented programming, one is clear structure, another one is understanding. User-defined data type, data and function handle to the any program. Clear structure means who provides a clear structure for the programs, and understanding means it means necessary to understanding some of the many concepts is useful to the extensively in verbs, and user defined data types is they many also represent the user defined data types such as vectors, types and list, etc. And data and function is contain useful to the data and function. Why contain the data and function useful to the object? Yes, less than can be which many more operator on the data to understanding the data from the object handle and to the any program handle to the any program. It means it is used to the handle any program is contained to the represented for the any items from the data. Plus C++ is one of the world most popular programming languages, and C++ can be found in today OS and GUI and embedded system. OS means operating system, GUI means graphical user interface, and embedded system can be interface to the C++. C++ is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused and lowering development cost. C++ is portable and can be used. Development application can be adapted to multiple platforms. Fun and easy to learn. C++ is a fun and easy to learn in this programming languages. And a future in C++ programming or object-oriented programming, exception handling, and rich C++ library. Like that, why we are developing the C++ languages. C++ support polymorphism, encapsulation, and inheritance because it an object-oriented programming. But C is does not supported by polymorphism and encapsulation, inheritance like that, etc. And C++ is superset of C. C is only a subset of C++, and C++ is known as hybrid language because C++ supports both procedural and object-oriented programming paradigms, but C is cannot support that. And data and function are encapsulated together in form of an object in C++. Data and function are not supported by the C supported but not object oriented encapsulated together in form of an object in C++, but data and function are separated in C because it is a procedural programming languages. And next, data is heightened by the encapsulation to ensure that data structure and operators are used as intended, but C is does not support the information from hiding from the data. Data type and user-defined data type is supported in C++, but not supported in C program. And function and operator overloading is supported by C++. Function and operator overloading is not supported in C. And then next, namespace. Namespace is used by C++, which avoid name collisions. Namespace feature are not presented inside this C. Next, header file used by the C++ is ioslim.h. and header file is used C is studio.h. Reference variable. Reference variable are supported by C++ but not supported by C program. Virtual and friend function are supported by C++ but not supported a virtual function and friend function. Supported for inheritance but not supported inheritance in C program. C++ focus on the data instead of focusing on the method or procedure, and C is instead of focusing on data, C focus on method or process. And exception handling. Exception handling is supported by C++ but not supported by C for encapsulation handling. And next, C in and C out are used for the input output in C++. C++ structure have access modifier. C is does not have access modifier. Several features of C++. One is simple, portable, middle-level, structure-rich library, object-oriented, regression, pointer, compiler-based, faster, extension, memory management. This is also used for C++ features. Simple C++ is one of the most simple language when it comes to programming. It is also easy to understand and learn. It's organized from the C programming languages. C++ follows the pattern approach for any kind of object programming project development that helps it breaking down big tasks into chunks of tasks and programming. Object-oriented programming is called a real-world entity, one of the most important features because of which C++ got a famous. Everything is treated as object in C++. That's why it is called object-oriented programming. Objects are used for performing all kinds of functionalities. It is has various features like polymorphism and inheritance, which aim to bind function and together data together in a single unit to make applications secure and efficient. Portability is nothing but C++ is not platform independent, but we can say it is portable enough to run on different machines by adding some or no changes at all. On different operating system, you can run the same code, write for the code on one time and use it every time you need to that particular functionalities. We cannot say that completely platform independent. So don't confuse C++ with Java because Java is completely platform independent. For example, you have written code in Linux but wants to in Windows, so C++ code will run on both without any hindrance, simple and slight. Middle level programming language used to C++. C++ programming language is a collection of special feature of lower level language and high level language. It can be used to develop application based on the required level of programming language that is used for low or high in middle level language. Rich library. C++ library is full of inbuilt functions that save a hug amount of time in the software development process. As it contains almost all kinds of functionalities programmer can meet in the development process, hence saving time and increase development speed. It's used to the library language for rich library. Case sensitive. C++ is a case sensitive language. That means it records uppercase letter as being entirely different character than their lowercase counterparts. It means as C++ is original from C, it is also purely case sensitive. That means lowercase. and upper characters is used for the written in C code will be have completely different meaning and will be treated differently. They are used in the C++. The name of the function may must be used to spell it out in lowercase letters is used for the uppercase capital and lowercase is used for the small letters. It contains these case sensitive is used for the C++. Eighth one is compiler based. Compiler based is as no interpretation is thrown in C++ code. It considers it to be compiler based language that makes it fast than other programming languages like Java, etc. Without compilation, you cannot executable C++ code. For example, C++ and linker exception, C plus file and object file. CPP is a C plus file, O is a object file. It is CPP and O is extension file. C++ file is compiled to the object file. It is linked to the executable of object in the executable of application file. Allocation. Dynamic memory allocation is a two-dimensional of array is collection of data. Dynamic memory, it is due to pointer support in the C++ language. Memory allocation can be easily turned dynamically rather than static. Can free memory anytime by using free functions. Example, calloc, malloc, clearloc, free, new, and delete, etc. is used for the stack, heap, data, text, remove used for the high atlas, low atlas. Tenth one is regression. Regression is nothing but due to code reusability of future. We can use call any function within a function saving memory space by not writing the same code again and again. Code reusability is there for every function. Is fast. Fast is can be used for the input output in C++. In competitive programming, fast execution, input and output matters a lot. Sometimes we need to enter only 5 numbers in the array and the other time there can be 10,000. These are the case where fast input output comes into the pictures means as compared to the other programming language, execution time and compilation time of a code written in C++ language are faster than any other programming language. Pointer is as we all know pointer hold the address of another variable and we can access the address of any variable using concepts or pointers which increase performance. C++ also provides the use of pointers in software development process. It can be used to the address and value. Address is convert to the value, where value mentioned to the variable. Example 52 is convert to the variable. C++, a pointer refers to the variable holds the address of the memory location is used for the pointers.